Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sophie Hannah here, and hello to anyone that is new and joining me. We are talking all things hair today. I'm going to share with you my tips on how to grow your hair. So I've got 4 fabulous tips that if you have experienced breakage like I did back in June, these are things that maybe you're going to want to try to speed up that breakage growth, because I'm not gonna lie, it's just not fun going through a really bad hair experience like that. That has never ever happened to me before, that extreme. I've had breakage before that's kind of like from here down, but I've never ever experienced like my hair literally snapping at the root, basically at the root. I ended up with like a little mohawk. It was just heartbreaking. Like, I spend so much time caring for my hair because I do hair tutorials. It's bleached. I colour it a lot. Like, I put heat on it. So I spend a lot of money and time caring for my hair, and for it to just be ruined in one salon session was honestly, guys, I don't know how I got through it, but I've got through it, and look at my hair now. Like, the before and after pictures. I'm going to insert some pictures and video clips of my hair before, just so you can kind of get an idea, especially if you're new here and you're looking for like tips on how to grow your hair, just like the condition of what my hair was back in June. So what are we? So I got my hair done the 23rd of June. So how many weeks is that? Let me have a look. Okay, 20 weeks. So this is 20 weeks worth of growth, which I think's really good. So what is that? How many months does that work out as? 5 months. So 5 months of growth, which I think's pretty good. I mean, my hair does grow fairly quick anyway, but it's never ever grown this quick. So yeah, that is 5 months worth of growth, which is pretty damn good. So yeah, I'm going to insert in some pictures of like previous hair growth that I've had from when I've had my hair bleached, and I'll put timestamps on there so you guys can see. But honestly, it's crazy the amount of growth that I have had, especially at the start of using all of these products. Like, it was just so rapid. Honestly, my hair has never grown that quick, and I thought my hair grew quick, but using all my tips, it grew so fast. So let's get straight into the tips. If you guys want to know about like how I've, thickened up my hair and cared for the like bleached section and how I've got that good, then there are some other videos in my hair care like playlist. And I'll link a few below in case you want to do a little bit of exploring and a bit of a dive into my videos, because I've got lots of hair care videos on my YouTube channel. But anyway, let's go in for tip 1. Now, tip 1 could be a bit obvious, but tip number 1 from me is don't wash your hair very often. So I went to washing my hair to twice a week. So my wash days would always be Sundays and then Wednesday or Thursday. Probably like Sunday and Thursday, really. But I'd wash it twice a week. If I could, I'd do once. But realistically, I was washing my hair twice a week. Now, that was way better than what I was doing before. I was washing my hair every other day before, pretty much. Or every 3rd day. So yeah, you're going to want to wash it once or twice a week. And that's because the natural oils from your scalp will kind of build up. And that actually helps your hair. It helps your hair. It gives your hair exactly what it needs, all of the natural oils. It's just really, really beneficial for your hair. Whereas if you're washing it a lot, you're washing the natural oils out of your hair. So wash it less. That's tip number 1. I feel like that's really, really helped me. So yeah, and then tip number 2, sorry, my chair is squeaking. Tip number 2 is get yourself some hair vitamins. So these are the ones that I've been using. Now, I did actually do a collaboration with this brand, but on the basis of they emailed me at like the perfect time of just after my breakage had happened, and I looked into the brand and I just could not believe the before and after results, which is why I was like, hell yeah, am I working with this brand, because this product actually looks amazing and I need to try it. And I thought, I'm literally the best candidate for this job right now. So we've got the JS Health Hair and Energy Vitamins. These right here. These are amazing, guys. So I got my new packet off of Amazon, so I'll pop a link below. I literally actually just bought myself another box because I'd just run out. So these are vegetarian hard capsules. They're gluten-free, GMO-free, and it is a food supplement with iodine and zinc. And basically, it says iodine contributes to normal energy yielding metabolism and normal function of the nervous system. Zinc contributes to the maintenance of normal hair and skin. So you just take one of these a day, and oh my God, like, they've been working for me, because I will insert pictures of just the growth that I had after using these for a month. And honestly, I was gobsmacked. So these are the hair and energy vitamins that I've been taking, and they are so, so good. So highly recommend those. If you can hear snoring in the background, it's my dogs, they're sleeping. Okay, so what was that? That was number 2. Did I say number 2? I don't even know. Anyway, number 3 is this range here from Neoxyn. So I've got the system. They do different kits according to your hair type. So because mine's bleached, I go for the Neoxyn 6 kit, which is this here. So the kit comes with these 3 products. So we've got the cleanser shampoo, which is step 1. We've then got the scalp therapy revitalizing conditioner, which is step 2. And then we've got the scalp and hair treatment, step 3. So this is basically for chemically treated hair and progressed thinning. So obviously my hair's actually been quite thin from dyeing anyway, and also with the bleached ends, I just thought it's probably best for me to focus on this range, because it's going to help the ends of my hair, but it's also going to help my natural hair growing through. Guys, this stuff is honestly amazing. So I actually got recommended this when I shared my heartbreaking hair story on Instagram. I had a lot of you guys message me about products, and someone mentioned this brand, and I'd never used their products before. But if your hair is thin, if you've got hair loss, maybe you want to grow your hair, it just doesn't really grow, this is a brand to try. They've got an amazing range of products. I actually use a lot of other products from them, because basically my hair's quite thin. So it was just thin from just the years of bleaching and dyeing it. But I use a couple of other products from them that like thickens your hair up from the root. So yeah, honestly guys, this range, I'll pop a link below. Obviously if your hair is bleached, then you might want to try System Kit 6, but they have got other ones for different hair types. So I think they've got one for just like literally undyed hair. So yeah, highly recommend trying their kits out. And then the final product that I've been absolutely loving is this. Let me just get the hair off of it. The Pitta Growth Serum by Shampo is formulated to thicken, volumize, and strengthen. So, I mean, I've been using this for literally 5 months, and it's just under halfway now. Like, a little goes a long way. It's got like a little tubey thing. It's kind of like skincare. But you put this serum on dry or damp hair and apply and massage into the scalp, and you can do it on and you can just section it. So it's enriched with creatine, caffeine, and some sort of fruit for density and fullness. It's a naturally fragranced blend of essential oils, and yeah, basically this is amazing. So this is going to help grow your hair, but the hair that's coming through is going to be strong. So it's going to strengthen your roots, it's going to thicken. So yeah, obsessed with this. And the great thing is you can put it on dry hair. So literally, I just pop this on my hair after I've washed it, and then like kind of use it every other day really, and just to pop a little bit on your root. The only thing I do find with this is sometimes you do get a bit of a product build up. So when you do shampoo your hair, really do scrub your hair or do a double shampoo just to make sure that product's all out, because it can kind of sit on your scalp a little bit. You literally have to use it so sparingly. And you literally just massage it in like this on your scalp. It doesn't leave your hair oily or anything like that. Really, really nice product. And that is literally gonna, yeah, strengthen, thicken, and help grow your roots. So all of those tips together is how I've achieved this growth over 5 months. But yeah, I've put in clips of like when I haven't used these products and the growth before, when I've never really focused on like growth products before. This has been like my first time purely on the basis of growing out that breakage because it was so short. So the breakage now, like all of these bits at the top are sort of like, I don't know whether you can see, but like here, which is great. So we are getting there. We are slowly getting there. Not that bit, but yeah, all these bits at the top slowly growing out, which is amazing. So good. I'm really pleased with the way my hair is going. This side's still thin, but it's getting there. I think this here just really needs to fill out and just grow a bit longer and thicker. But it's getting there slowly, like literally, as you can see, my hair before with the breakage and stuff and the way it looks now, like, we're getting there, guys. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing and hearing about my top hair growth tips. Let me know if any of you try them and how you get on. And any questions, pop them below. I'll do my best at getting back to you. Yeah, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Peace out.